ayusin lang ang investigasyon. You said that as well. But how did you go from there to calling for the president to step down?
Ang linaw-linaw na eh. Ayaw-ayusin yung investigation, pinagtatakpan yung mga alyado every time na may lalabas at magsasalita, ang laging sasabihin lang, destabilizer o kaya yinuyug-yug ang gobyerno. Again, corruption is destabilization.
But that's where it gets tricky, Attorney Rodriguez, because who stands to benefit from your call for the president to step down?
The Filipino people, Carmina, para matuldukan na itong korupsyon na ito.
How can the Filipino people stand to benefit if the vice president takes the presidency by virtue of the president stepping down, when you're just going to put in place another dynasty whose history is also peppered with allegations of corruption, instability in behavior, even murder, deaths of countless deaths of your countrymen, Attorney Rodriguez, not to mention the damage to freedom of expression, which you oddly enough claim to protect as well. Go ahead.
Are you saying that when Bongbong Marcos, assuming he will step down, we will abandon the 1987 Constitution and skip the rule on succession? You've mentioned about murder. Meron bang kasong murder ang Vice President, Carmina?
I'm talking about another dynasty. She's another member. She's a family member of another dynasty.
Na mas malaki ang boto sa Pangulo. Wala tayong magagawa ron. I never advocated anything that is outside of the constitutional loop or constitutional orbit.
The Vice President, who stands to benefit from your call, is also mired herself in corruption allegations. How does that reconcile with your anti-corruption advocacy?
As a media practitioner, alam mo na walang ini-issue at clear na ng Commission on Audit ang Office of the Vice President kung ang pinatutukuyan mo ay yung paggamit ng intelligence funds. At walang nakabinbin na anumang kaso or impeachment laban sa pangalawang Pangulo. So yung iyong sinasabi na meron siyang issue ng korupsyon, yan ay gawa-gawa. Nakikita naman natin nung makakaliwang grupo na ayaw nang makabalik ang tatak Duterte na serbisyo.
Why stop at the president? Why not include the vice president as well? Yun ang sinasabi ng iba. Panawagan, hindi lamang ang iisa ang dapat mag-resign. Hindi lahat na mag-resign. But we're going to have to leave it at that. As you said, pwede tayong maghapon magdiskusyon. But I appreciate your time being with us this afternoon. Former Executive Secretary Vic Rodriguez there joining us. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat.